even flow. No, this is not going to be a video about Pearl Jam, but Declan and Nolan, my two beautiful sidekicks, my little boys, and I are taking an adventure to the train station. We live in historic Hamlet, North Carolina, and excuse the yard at the apartment complex, but we're going to go to the train station. Say hey, everybody. Hey. All right, let's go. I got this contraption set up with my what do you call that thing? A tripod. It's set up on the walker so I can walk and record at the same time. And if these two will quit shaking the walker, the video looks stable. Quick. Caught it just in here is Arlo's record service and shop. If you ever in the market for getting your car fixed, come to these guys. Oil changes, tire repairs, you name it, they can do it. And don't mess with that Mustang. That's a fast car. Once you guys know that, you guys will be great. Here's Main Street in Hamlet, where every October, as a matter of fact, October 27th of this year, we will have the Seaboard Festival. This street will be lined with vendors selling food, crafts, drinks, snacks, dessert, merchandise, you name it, we have it. And everybody in a 4-county area will show up down here just to try food that we have, and everybody's favorite, a collard sandwich. If you have to ask, you won't be able to understand. Here is our historic theater. It's been around for a century or more, and not many people know this, but if you ever seen the movie Billy Bathgate, most of it was filmed right here in Hamlet, and they use this theater behind me, which is fenced in because it's a national treasure. It was in the movie. Pretty nice on the inside, though I've never been in it. Our history museum, so to speak. And yes, John Coltrane was born here in Hamlet. Jazz legend. It's an old camera there. Mm-hmm. The Seaboard Airline Hotel, which is not here, I don't think, anymore, or at least it's not the same as it was back then, but we'll always see. A few of our local celebrity type, unlike myself here. Let you guys read that for a second. And over here we have a couple more. Here's the train station here in Hamlet. Hamlet has been dubbed the hub of the seaboard because basically this is like the only stop you can go to back in those days, and it just became a little town because of its atmosphere and general hospitality. So we're gonna go in, hopefully maybe tour around. Me being a local guy here, they shouldn't mind. So we'll see. So stay tuned. Maintenance stuff. It's also home to the National Railroad Museum. It's about a mile or so this way. Maybe today or next week or so we'll go there and check that out as well. And I'll do a video about it. But I'm walking from my apartment to down here with my children, and they're getting a little bit restless. So I might be calling it a day here in just a little bit. But I'm gonna show you guys some more stuff. Shh. And we'll go from there. Working on the railroad, which job would you choose? I won't be no mechanic, I tell you that much. It's a stressful job. Let's see what this gentleman has to say.
Congratulations, you're a brakeman. Your job actually includes the duties of both brakeman and switchman nowadays, thanks to changes in technology. You work in the hump yard, helping separate rail cars from trains and reassemble them into new trains. Your work can be tough and exhausting, but you always stay alert.
Nice. Local or celebrities. What do you know? Buffalo Bill Cody came to Hamlet in his Wild West show. Right there where the train's crossing now is the hub of the seaboard. Put the square in there for it. I'm going to zoom in right here on this train that has a engine or a locomotive, and behind it a caboose. It was given to the state, I guess to the city, in honor of it being the National Railroad Museum and it being the seaboard hub right here. And as you can see, here's the train station, a better view of it. Yes, no, I see the train. Yeah, so sorry for that long pause in speaking there. But this is it. This is what we came for. There's visitor center again. All that good noise. Okay guys, two more things I want to show you. One being this building right here, the Seaboard Restaurant. A lot of folks like down home country cooking, and that's your thing. They come here to eat. The food here is pretty good. I will admit that. And the second thing I'll show you, that may not be much to you guys or to anybody, but this marker right here, that is the exact spot. If you stand on it, you're in the middle of the city of Hamlet, right smack dab in the middle of the city of Hamlet. That, in a nutshell, is my hometown, where I was born, raised, and where a lot of people who made it in this world, where they stay. You know, I showed you the athletes that came from here, and currently, yeah, we have 2 or more professional athletes that play in the NFL right now. One being Donnell Ellerby, who he has 2 Super Bowl rings, one with the Patriots and one with the Eagles. Go figure, the Eagles finally win something. And Melvin Ingram, who plays for the San Diego Chargers. Both are phenomenal athletes. I'm getting out of here now because the youngers are freaking out. So I'll throw this together and be done with it. See you guys in a little bit.